Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is LNS Explorer. So here I am with a new video where we are going to install Cuda and Cudnn in TensorFlow because I have seen YouTube uh, PyTorch has been used to install Cuda and Cudnn, but there are some ML engineers or software developers, those who want to use TensorFlow. So here I am to install how to. So first, what we will see, let we go to the control panel. Here is the control panel and okay, wait, sorry. Just go to settings. So here it is a settings part. So in settings, just go to apps here, then go to installed apps and search for NVIDIA. NVIDIA. So what you have to do, guys, you have to delete or uninstall all, leaving this one, NVIDIA control panel. Leaving NVIDIA control panel, you have to uninstall all. This all, like uninstall, uninstall. You have to do uninstall all. Okay, guys. After you uninstall all these, just leave the NVIDIA control panel. Now, uh, you have to go to Apna C drive, and there are some instances that has been made in the C drive. Like I have saved in D drive, so my instances has been not been done. So you have to go to this one, and there will be ERA, NVIDIA Corporation. You have to uninstall this. Then in from program files, same here also NVIDIA this one and this one and another NVIDIA. So with okay, I have done in D drive, so it has been down there. So you have to install this two. You have to delete this two also. Then so after you delete all the files from this U drive, now you have to go to Google Chrome. Okay, Chrome, and here you have to search Cuda and Cudnn installation window. Then it was like, sorry for that. I will be coming soon back. So yeah, just go to the up one installation Cuda on Windows. Just go here and then like you have been deleted all the files from the CUDA, like just you have kept the CUDA NVIDIA control panel. So here you have to go to NVIDIA drivers and you have to select it off. But out of it, if you don't want to first install the drivers, you can directly install the CUDA file, CUDA toolkit. Within the CUDA toolkit only, the drivers will be uploaded, will be downloaded. So, how to check that which version of CUDA toolkit is applicable to you? So, here is one of the CUDN support matrix. So, you can refer it. So, let me refer it. So, here they are the here there are Cuda toolkit. Here there is a version CUDN and package. So uh, and the softwares that are applicable to our Cuda. Like mine, it is RTX 2050. So how to know that it is applicable? Just go to Cuda. Just search Cuda, not this one. There is a just go to the Wikipedia file. This file, Wikipedia, and here you can go down. Yes, here it is. Let's see. Where is RTX 2050? So mine is RTX 2050. So here it is RTX 2050. So my version will be 8.6 and the architecture is Ampere. So let's go to the support matrix and check. Here there is NVIDIA Ampere architecture. It supports 8.6 and the driver version also are there, and the CUDA toolkit is 12. It supports all 12.0, 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, and the CUDNN is 9.1.1. Or else you can go here also. You can check here. NVIDIA Ampere architecture. This also supports 8.6 CUDA and 11.8 CUDA toolkit also is supportable. Same goes for the 11.6 because here also it is given that like NVIDIA Ampere architecture 8.6 and the drivers are slow. So if we won't prefer this one, but we can prefer this two. Okay, guys. So just click here. So to download the CUDA toolkit here, just click here. Download latest CUDA toolkit, or you can follow your CUDA toolkit 12.4.1. Then it will be loading. Yes. Then the operating system that you are using, I'm using Windows. My architecture is 64. My version or my Windows is 11. And download exe local. If you download, it's a download of 3.005. So I have already downloaded here. So you can check it. I am having here. Okay, please. So like I have downloaded the CUDA 12.4 here. So I am not downloading this one. Just go here, download it. After completing downloading, you have to go to this. Like once download is completed, you have to double click this. I want to install it at EON. So I will check here. Okay. So this one. Okay. So it will ask to install here. Then I will press next. The time I press next is asking will update to the current installation path. Blah blah blah. It was update accordingly. Okay, next. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Like I have previously installed it out. So it asking then after it will ask for a Visual Studio one. So there will be a link of Visual Studio. You have to go there and install it. So let me cancel it. So it will first check out the checking system compatibility. It will take some time. Complete the compatibility check of the system. Then here will be an agreement. You have to agree and continue. Here you have to custom advanced. You have not to express. You have to install custom. Where what all customs are been installed? Let's check. Here they are. CUDA, where you have to install this all will be installed. Then NVIDIA GeForce Experience also that you have been deleted. Then other components, the cycles and driver components that will be installed. So once you press it next, you have to, where do you want to install it? So same, I want Trojan, I doesn't want to install in C, so I want to install it in E. So guys, what I did, there was a small change that I have altered. So what I did, I went out it here, and then here inside, not here, in programming D, I went out, and then here in this Cuda, this one, in this folder, I paste, I saved it here. So next, it's asking like the path and I will update it. Okay, so I want to update the path. Yes, I want. So okay, it's installing on the path will be updated and it will be installed. Like after this, there will be the part where it will be asking like to install the visuals. As you can see here, it's like configuring Visual Studio settings. Like my Visual Studio has been already installed here. So it is not asking because if your Visual Studio is not installed, then there will be a part where it will ask for Visual Studio installation. So first you have to install the Visual Studio, then you have to go for the Coda Toolkit one. Okay, guys. So let me complete it out the total part. So here just complete it. So I will complete it. Like I have installed this like 2 hours of front was now. So okay, it's completed. So want to which once the Coda toolkit has been installed, just go to the documentation only and here just go to the CDNN part. Sure, where you can go to the CDNN. Here it is. So here. So there are two ways to install CDNN. One is executive file and one is zip file. I am going with the executive file because in the zip file I have to we have to copy the path of the pins and all. So it's like little harder. So I'm going with the executive file graphical. So here in this link you have to click it out. CDNN is available at this one. So download CDNN library. That one. Windows. This one and Windows version 10 is also useful. So we can use if those who are using Windows can go for the Windows 10 and the exe part. Then here is like 815.4 MB. I have already downloaded here, so you can check it. Here it is. This is UDNet 9.1.1 version. So here is my NVIDIA. Then the CUDA is also been here. The CUDA part is not here. Okay, it's not here. Okay, it's like updated, and then the CUDNN. Once the CUDNN is done installed, you have to click it out. Once the CUDNN is updated, CUDNN into software, then we have to double click. Like I have already installed the CUDNN, so I'm not going with the CUDNN part. Now, guys, after complete the installation, now you have to install the Python. Once Python you have to install, I will tell that Python what's the answer? 3.11.1, you can use it, or else the lower version also. So once Python is been installed, now you have to go for the installation of TensorFlow, like how to execute it TensorFlow. So before executing in TensorFlow, here is a blog of TensorFlow. Let me show you here. Uh, this, sorry. Okay. How will you check that whether the part, what we can say, the Cuda and has been installed correctly? So you can go for here. That is, you can type a command called mcc dot version, not dot hyphen version. So here it is. The CUDA toolkit that I have installed is 12.4. Okay. Next, you can go for NVIDIA SMI. So this one, this is NVIDIA. This is 20 of calculating okay, my bad. It's like NVIDIA SMI. Don't click it, and here it will show what all are there. Like your CUDA version is 12.4, driver version is one, and that's the GPU you are having in all this. Okay, so now we have to install Python. Like I have installed the Python dot version. Here it is. Like I am having okay 12.2 version. Okay, I'm having a 12.2 version of Python. But but what we can do is uh, we can install our so you have to install the Python also. Then you have to go to this one. Uh, Now what we can do, just there is a official documentation of TensorFlow. So we have to just follow the documentation of this one. We have to use, we have to install. So first, what we have to do, the NVIDIA GPU cards will be 3.5 and all. These all are satisfying all. Like we have 3.9 to 3.11. So we have to, like I'm having 3.12, so it will be a mismatch. So what we have to do, we have to install a miniconda. So here it is, miniconda in Windows installer. Just click this line, just click this one, and it will start installation. Like just here it is. Here it is started. But I will not install because I have already installed it out. So I'm canceling it. So once it has just follow this one, this path, like create a conda environment. Just create a conda environment here. Once you create the conda environment, just activate the environment. And here, like I found a problem. So there is an alternative way. Just wait, showing here. Here, here, here it is, guys. So what you have to do, you have to come to this page. I will be giving this link. So just go to the description and get here. You can find just search here Cuda tool kit. Once you search the Cuda toolkit, you will get a Cuda toolkit version. See, here it is 11.8. So the highest version here it is Cuda toolkit. So once you guys saw that if we want to install Cuda toolkit 11.8 also, it was applicable or computable. So we have to install this in that command prompt in the conda prompt. Okay, just install after this page. Like once you have activated your conda, the environment, your virtual environment, don't go for this one. Just go here and just install this one. This just install it. After completing the installation of this Cuda toolkit, just come here and then write cudnn. So here the cudnn version is 8.9 and we have installed is 9.1. So it is applicable. Just install this, like just write this command conda install conda force cudnn. Okay. So once you have done this one, then just click it up and install this one also. After completing it, you need to go down and install the TensorFlow. So here what he's saying that do not install TensorFlow with, sorry, here it is. Anything above 2.10 is not supported on the GPU or Windows native. So just copy this code and install the TensorFlow. Now I will be showing how you can check that your GPU is working or not. So just come to your command prompt, just write Python. Okay, guys, in Python, but like I have not activated my environment. Let me activate my environment. Activate. Here, my environment is here. Okay, like here you can see my environment is activated. So like let me write Python. Here you can see like my Python version is in the active version. Python version is 3.9.19. So now what I will do, I will write import TensorFlow, import TensorFlow as TF. I wrote it here. It has been executed. Now what I will do it length of not length TF dot what is the command? Let me check. It's like okay TF dot config list. Okay, TF dot config dot list slash physical devices like we are using CPU and here. So now it will show you the list. Physical device name is physical device GPU 0 and device type is GPU. Or just you have to write length and just copy this code here and I'll draft it and here like you can see I am having one GPU. So it's saying that my GPU has been activated. Okay, let me give you an example with a code. So let me exit it. Sorry guys. Let me move to one folder. Let me check sooner what I have kept. CD detail. Okay, here I have tried once. See the one here. Just let me get the VS code on. Without Jupyter Notebook also, we can see that the our code is working. So let me do it once. Here, see guys, I will just on the task manager on. Here it is, the task manager, and side by side, I am showing you what all are showing here. So here, what is it? It is a MNS dataset, a famous dataset of to all this. Like before working on it, just install this pip installs and all. After that, you have to install all the libraries also. Just for the code, like say, I'm asking this one, just see. Like I run it this. Guys, just take the CPU and the GPU part. So just a second, it will be taking some seconds to like reuse. Then this one, just check it out, guys. And this, this. Let's check. GPU is being used. How much? Once you have done it clearly, the CPU will be not using much and the GPU will be using much. But I think there might be some problem in my code or like something have been problemed in the installation, like uh that one. So I'm getting this error. I will rectify it out. Let's see. It's like 36% and yet it is using just check like I will be adding a screenshot here. Recently I took a screenshot. It has been using the GPU was been using 80% and it just was 40%. So guys, here we can say that our GPU is being used here, and also I'm getting a very good accuracy of one. I got really one accuracy, so it's an amazing part. So I think this is for the video, and if there is any doubt regarding this, you can message me or you can just give a comment now. I will try to clarify your doubt. Thank you. So like here it is using. You can say now. So yes, I tried because I used or I recorded this video because I last okay for the video purpose the CPU is using much. So just here you can see the GPU is also using for the code part. Here it is and here. See guys, it using how. Then here it is. Like let me run it for 50 epochs. Okay guys. So let me I will can show you how much it's like using. See guys, check the GPU part and the CPU part. Check out. Like the dedicated like it's using a 2 GB of memory. See now guys. And it's like using 86% and it is using 40%. Because the CPU using 90% because the video is being on. Like I'm uh,